Shadows hold emotional depth in an image, and controlling their intensity can instantly shift mood from flat to dramatic. How to explore shadow tone intensity. Launch Photoshop and open your image on a canvas sized around 2,000 pixels for detailed editing. Then convert the layer into a smart object to maintain flexibility. Add a gradient map adjustment layer and select a rich color for shadows while keeping highlights neutral. Then adjust the midpoint slider to determine how strongly the shadow tone spreads. Reduce opacity until the effect feels natural and paint on the layer mask with a soft brush to limit the tone only to darker regions.